Welcome to Module Institute of Technologies. Today's topic I like to discuss about Ansible Facts. So even we'll get into the topic. Okay. So what is the fact? What are the Ansible facts? Ansible facts are the collecting the information about your remote host machine, where your play is going to be run. Those place going to be that host information we are going to be get. That is the collecting the complete information is called the gathering. You can say in the technically gathering the facts about your remote host. This information can obtain manually using your headache command as well. Though, so there is yesterday we saw a setup module. The same module you can collect your Ansible facts. So what are the Ansible facts? The Ansible is setup model how we are going to relate the facts gathering, and then we are going to filter certain facts and see the output how we are going to be get the facts, and we are going to see how to create a custom facts and how we are going to be execute a custom facts, and then how the facts can be used in the environment without a in our environment variable without our super access. Okay, so I'll repeat again what the fact is nothing but when you fire the command or you're executing the playbook Ansible playbook playbook name. So there you are going to be going to be collect your facts, right? Those facts are called it's gathering your facts. Okay, those things are not called your facts. So even though if you have a fact, which module you're going to be called, it depends on that. What are the arguments we are going to be pass? Okay, these and all come under setup module. So filtering how and next we'll move to the filtering. So for example, I need a particular fact. That could be the remote has the your IP address networking facts, and then your host name facts, and other host related information, your hard disk facts. I'm interested in a particular fact. Okay, for example, I interested in the IP addressing. I want to know the host name. So how we are going to see execute this in the fact in the Ansible. Okay, I'll like to move on to our lab section. So we are discussing about the fact module. So I like to get my facts about my remote machine. So Ansible is the command. Ansible server is my group name, inventory group name, -m setup. So this command will I'll get the all the information about my host. Which host? The remote host, the server host. Okay. Just enter. So here I'm exporting the server host detailed information as we discussed earlier. Yeah. See, you can have this Ansible modules and Python. What are the related to your processor related stuff, and then your node name, which is the Ansible. This is the node, right? So it given the node name. The Ansible OS family is related to EM. So you will get the complete information about your host file. So I'll make it more and I'll pipe it to, I'll apply some filter and see, you can see one by one. So I want to show you Ansible facts. The first it's coming that it gathering declare under variable Ansible facts. You're going to get the particular details. I'm waiting for the output. Yes, see here, this is my remote host. The play has been executed success. So this is the Ansible. These are the Ansible facts. What is the Ansible facts? Ansible all are network related things. These are the facts. So we are here, we can get about detailed information about our remote host. So in our scenario, our infrastructure, I have only one host, so it'll giving a one host information. If you're in the large environment, you can have, if you have 100 servers, it's going to give 100 output, 100 host output. Okay, because the Ansible is agentless, so you can, so at a time, it's not depending anyone. Your SSH communication is properly established. So 100, even you have 100,000 plus server, it will be executing at a time. It's not going to wait for anyone. Okay, the condition is satisfied. So it will be going to be get, so your hard disk details, Ansible device details. So these and all the Ansible facts. Facts in the sense which is going to be collect in this setup module. Okay, so see here, I'll come back again. So I have enabled the two adapters, as we discussed earlier, the host name, so which file, the complete host information file, even which image you have, everything you have in this module. Okay. Okay, so now I like to filter an output clear. So I like to filter and get some particular output. Okay, clear. So Ansible server setup. Sorry, I missed out -m setup -a colon gather underscore subset is equal to networking, and I'm interested in networking. Sorry, network. I'll close that. Okay, so I'm going to filter the output, gather the facts need to be gathered only the networking part. Okay, so Ansible -m. So Ansible server group setup. See, we have got only networking information. No, it's not filtered. No, it is not filtered. Let me check it out. Why it's not filtering the output? Subset is equal to networking. The command has been successfully executed. Let more. So I'm expecting on top. Yes. Yes, I got the output as an about our network related activity. So still it giving all the output. Will let me figure out why I'm getting the all output. The subset is equal to what are the networking Ansible. So I like to call only Ansible fact. Okay. Wait. Clear. So I like to apply a filter Ansible server name setup. Setup is the module -a filter filter is equal to I like to go for Ansible memory. CPLE Ansible underscore MEM star. So oh, something is wrong. -MEM. So still it's expecting, oh, some typo. I have not completed the quotation. So I like to filter only that memory details. So let us see. Yes, the facts has been discovered interpretation. Yeah, it has been executed properly. Okay, so let me try with an Ansible playbook. Clear. CD / etc. So let me, before that, I like to figure out what are the modules are available. Name. Already I have predefined some module, so still I like to check. So I already have written, so same, I like to pick which module. So I like to pick IP addresses, default IP addresses. Okay. So the fact name is an Ansible mem total underscore. Okay. This one will filter and see. Ansible server -m setup -a file tr filter is equal to MB. Let's try this module. Sorry, this fact. I filter only this memory total is equal to MB. Yes, I got the output. So total memory is 1476. Okay. This is how we can filter some facts. So for that Ansible, the command, your group name, -m, the module, which module I'm going to get from the setup module, argument passing all, and so it's going to be list all the module. Then I'm applying a filter. I need only this particular fact, so that you can do hands-on all this each facts. So you can try with this fact, Python Ansible -_ Python fact. Okay, your processor, this is also one fact. This one is a one fact about. So the same way you can try for all the facts to, if you like to filter any output, so you can use this hadak command. I'll repeat this command again. Ansible Ansible and your host file name -m setup -a filter, and then your which fact you need to be filter and show the output in hadak command. Okay. Let us try one playbook. Okay. In the directory cd /etc/ansible. Okay. ls-l. So I like to get this fact underscore play. So what I did, as I said earlier, the playbook always start with 3 hyphen, then I started indentation, then host name. I have clearly mentioned here my host IP address. I can give here as a server also, but I have mentioned my IP address because I have in my infrastructure, I have only one host. It remains the same, right? So the task I have given in task section, again, you need to give the space hyphen space. What I'm going to get here, show IP. No, show here. Something is wrong. make a change. Show my host name. Escape. I insert already. It is an insert. So if IP address, it doesn't make sense. So I'll change here as a show my host name. Host name. Let me execute this playbook. Clear. Ansible. Sorry. Ansible hyphen play. Playbook. Act underscore play. So it need to be fetch my host name. Let us see whether it's going to be fetch my host ID. Yes, it is going to be change my in message. Yes. So I like to change the same play. I like to change get my an IP address. Let us try in that way. The same script I'm going to be. So how I did, so host means, you know, that I'm going to which is the remote host. Task, what is the task? So my task will be show the host name. Now I like to change show IP address. IP address. Okay. So I'll delete this. Default. I'm, I'm calling this fact underscore IPv4. I missed out P. IPv4 dot. Okay. I'm going to change. So again, I'm going to play my playbook. Now I'm expecting in the message box, it's supposed to display my IP address. See, it has been play recap. It has given my IP address. This is how you can write an IP address. Okay. So, uh, so I like to create a custom module. How to gonna create a custom module on our remote host? For that, 3 steps you need to be follow. One, I like to take as such 9.168.1.105 my remote host. Here, first what you have to do, you have to create a file where you have to create cd slash etc under etc slash Ansible facts.d. This file you need to create. I have created earlier, so it is available. When you go and check your control node as well, the Ansible under Ansible directory also you don't find facts. Manually you need to go on create a fact. Okay. So I have written some script on this custom module. Just I like to return a bash script how it executing in the Ansible node. Let us see. Facts. I'll show the script how I written. Sorry. E slash etc slash Ansible facts. So I have written a very simple basic shell script. So I given a shangbang /bin /bash. The echo just declared an variable. Here I call an variable. The simple bash script I have written. Just see facts. It's going to be written my date. Okay. This how you can create a custom module on your remote host. What and all you can do? So you can go to your remote node under /etc or else you can create in library as well. Both location is fine, but I am recommending go to /etc and there in remote node any which ways you are not going to find any Ansible directory. So you create an Ansible directory and then there you go and execute, go and create a file. The condition here is it should be end up with dot. So ls the file name should be end up with dot fact. Okay, when you're going to be use under when you're going to be write, I'll give you a sample file as well. So it end up with vi sample dot fact file name. This how you gonna be start. So /bang bin bash is our executable. Okay. So echo I'm declaring in a array date echo date. Okay, this is how you're going to execute and give a and you go and give executable permission. Then this is how you're going to be create your custom facts. Okay, clear. So today I'll quickly recap about what and all we seen today. Only one topic we have covered. One is Ansible facts. Okay, the facts. I'm exit from here. I'll recall the PPT again. We have seen the setup module, how the related the facts, how we are gathering, and we have seen how a specific fact you can filter and try it, and we have seen how to create a custom fact and how we are written a playbook and execute and how the facts is going to be run. Okay, this is all about today. Thank you so much.